What's your name?
Soha?
She's a great designer. How long have you been doing flowers?
Just a week.
Oh, that's funny. What was your favorite part of the week?
I mean, everything. I can't really pick any favorite because I
Okay.
loved all part of it.
You loved it all. You did fantastic this week. How did you wind up coming to the school?
Well, I just Googled and I saw all the great reviews and I saw that you were on TV. So I was like, this is the best teacher.
All right.
So
Yeah, you're right about
here.
that. Go, let's look at your centerpiece, which is a masterpiece, darling.
Thank
Let's
you.
get this out of the way. Give it a spin. Yes, twirl around. Now put your bouquet next to it so we can see. Here's her wedding. The last project of the week is to design a wedding. And here is her piece. There's your view right there. And some pieces do better on camera and some in real life. This is a real life one. Yeah, look at it on camera. It's so complicated that you can't really pick it up on film. What do you plan to do with your talents that you picked up this week?
I don't know. This is so much fun. I didn't know I could do all of these. So
That's what Brian said. He didn't know you could do all this.
Yeah, world is my
You've
oyster
done
now.
all your pieces this week were really good.
thank you.
So if you want to talk to her about doing something for you, just email me at the school, Flower School 101, and I'll pass it on to her because she is very talented. I tell her this looks like she's been designing for 5 to 10 years. Your
I'm
work all
surprised.
week,
I'm very
not
surprised.
2, 3, 4, and 5 days.
I think I learned everything I need to know.
Yes, you did. And all you need to know, anything that you come across, you'll figure out that maybe, you'll figure it out or you'll call me. Thank you very much. You're a designer.